Hello, welcome to Mastering Fraction Lesson 11. My name is Walter, and today we are going to deal with subtracting mixed number with like denominator. In subtracting mixed number with the same denominator, the first step we are going to take the whole number, take away whole number. Then we're going to take fraction, take away fraction, from which the denominator is going to remain the same. We will take away the numerator. Then we are going to simplify the final answer. Let's start with question number 1. We have 7, 8 over 9, take away 3, 4 over 9. We will take whole number, take away whole number. That is 7, take away 3. Plus, the denominator will remain the same, 9. We are going to take 8, take away 4. Which you are going to get 7, take away 3. We get 4. 8, take away 4. We are going to remain with 4 over 9. We can't simplify this further, so this is our answer. Let's do question number 2. We have 16, 3 over 4, take away 4, 1 over 4. We will take the whole number, take away whole number, and then we are going to take fraction, take away fraction. 16, take away 4, plus the denominator is common, so we have 4. We'll take 3, take away 1, which you're going to get 16, take away 4. We are going to remain with 12. 3, take away 1. It is 2 over 4. But we can simplify 2 over 4. So by 2, we get 1. By 2, we get 2. This will be equal to 12, 1 over 2. Let's go to question number 3. We have 8, 7 over 10, take away 5, 3 over 10. First, we are going to take the whole number, take away whole number, that is 8, take away 5. Then we are going to take away the fraction, that is 7 over 10, take away 3 over 10. So this is equal to 8, take away 5, plus we have the same denominator, 10. This is equal to 8, take away 5, it is 3. 7, take away 3, we remain with 4 over 10. But 4 over 10, we can simplify it. By 2, we get 2. By 2, we get 5. So this will be equal to 3 whole number, 2 over 5. Question number 4, we have 6, 2 over 5, take away 1, 1 over 5. Well, this is equal to 6, take away 1, plus the denominator is the same, 5, so we have 5. But you're going to take 2, take away 1, 2. This will be equal to 6, take away 1, remain with 5. 2, take away 1, remain 1 over 5. We can't simplify this further, so this is our answer. Hope you understand subtracting mixed number with the like denominator. First step, we subtract the whole number. Second step, we subtract the fractions and keep the denominator the same. At last, we simplify an answer. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.